dumating ang tulad mo, at may isang pag-ibig na tapat at totoo. Dahil sa'yo'y naramdaman ang tunay na pagmamahal. Iibigin kita kahit sino ka man. Ikaw na nga ang hinahanap ng puso, ang siyang magbibigay ng saya, ng tamis at lambing sa buhay ko. Ikaw na nga ang bawat panaginip ko, sa piling mo'y nagkatotoo ang lahat ng mga pangarap ko. Ikaw na nga ito.
Happy birthday, Casey.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Pete, do you have something to say? I'm speechless. Come on, dude. Come on, say it, man. Sana pag walang tao. I'll leave you, okay?
Why can't we be together? This is just so hard for me. Why can't we have each other? Can somebody tell the reason why?
I hope you marry a princess because you're my prince.
They hope you marry a princess.
Oh, yes.
But why can't I have you? Every time I see you, I wanna hold you, I wanna touch you, how I long to kiss you, I wanna have your love. Will you give your trust? Will you give this heart a chance? Will I ever be with you? Will I hear you calling my name? Will I ever live my life with you? Will you give this love a chance?
Sino na ba ngayon?
Sino nga?
Iba yata tayo po sa pamilya. Hindi ako eh.
This has to be...
This is just so hard for me. Why can't we have each other? Can somebody tell the reason why? Should have taken the chance when time was mine. You could have been mine, but now it's too late.
Graduate na ako.
Cristina Antonieta Concepcion.
Can I have you? If I had a chance, I'd hold you tight. So tight I won't let go. I'll make you feel my heart.
She doesn't know him. she knows of him. She knows enough about him to say good things. But I didn't know they knew each other.
Casey, ang estado ng kanyang puso.
Walang magsiselos. I'm single and happy.
That we could be. Oh, why can't we be together?
So was there ever a time that it was you and him? Yes or no?
No. No.
No? Love each other. Can somebody tell the reason why? Should have taken the chance when time was mine. You could have been mine, but now it's too late. You're all I need. But why can I have?
Ikaw ba, PJ, may girlfriend ka?
Wala.
Mabuti naman, faithful ka.
But why can I
For the past 5 or 6 years.
What is that?
5 or 6 years. I've been single.
Actually, Princess, I have another. He brought me to you some Little Mermaid.
The other sapphire is in the room.
Work on this year is that before, when I used to go and make friends, it was just about anyone because I wanted to know the different lives out there and all. But now it's just like, okay, so and so and so. Okay, this is my list. I'm sticking to that. This is where I am, and these are my friends. And and there's another thing is that I have a group of friends now that I actually just got close to in the last few months. And already people are bashing a few of them. Already there are people that are trying to ruin those friendships. I don't know why. But then, you just have to stick to it. And you just have to say, well, this is what I see. This is what,
And that's what matters. And that's the truth. And that's the truth. And no one defines that for you.
Yes. And you have to have guts. You have to be a survivor. And so do your friends. Your friends have to learn to protect each other too. And to believe in the things you believe in.
Because we're friends. It just so happened that isang grupo namin. Casey and I are friends. We're definitely getting closer. And I'm so excited because I told her at least I'll get to know you better now because kasama tayo. Siguro we just don't wanna rush things for now. But I definitely wanna be there for her. I wanna be a friend. And kung saan man mapupunta, we'll see. Pero mahirap ang unahan ng mga bagay. Especially this kind of thing na may pinagagalingan naman kami na relationship na. So, gusto ko alagaan.
Hindi na ako mabaho.
If you were to go to heaven, sinong isasama mo, Casey?
Huh?
Yeah.
My love interest, probably.
Okay, I wouldn't even dare ask you who he is.
Miss you, we think of you while you're in Paris and we pray for you. I wish you nothing but true love and happiness and peace.
Sa piling mo'y nagkatotoo ang lahat ng mga pangarap ko. Ikaw na lang ito. Magbibigay ng saya, ng tamis at lambing.
Oh yes.
I'm praying that you will be very, very happy with your princess when
Looking forward.
when she comes.
Bawat panaginip ko, sa piling mo'y nagkatotoo.
Kung ano man yung nangyari with PJ, that's purely personal.
Pangarap